In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SSL Handshake error in Cloudflare. An SSL Handshake error usually means the secure connection between Cloudflare and your origin server isn't being established correctly, often because of an encryption mode mismatch or a stale cached response. We'll fix that by adjusting a key setting and clearing the cache so your site can serve clean, valid HTTPS. First, head to your Cloudflare dashboard and sign in. From the main view, open the domains area and pick the domain that's showing the error. This ensures we're working on the right property and that any changes you make apply only to the site you're fixing. Next, go to the SSL TLS section for that domain. On the overview page, check the SSL TLS encryption mode. Set it to full. This tells Cloudflare to connect to your origin over HTTPS, expecting a certificate there. It's different from flexible, which talks to your origin over HTTP and often triggers handshake problems, and different from full strict, which requires a fully valid certificate chain on your origin. For this fix, switching to full is a fast way to reestablish a proper encrypted connection. Give this change a moment to propagate across Cloudflare's edge. With the encryption mode set, let's clear any cached responses that could be holding on to bad redirects or outdated TLS behavior. Open the caching section, then go to Configuration. Choose Custom Purge to see your options. You'll notice you can purge by URL if you want to clear specific pages, by hostname to clear everything under a particular host, by tag if your app uses cache tags, and by prefix to clear paths that start with a certain pattern. These are helpful when you need precision. Because we're dealing with a site-wide handshake issue, it's faster to wipe the slate clean. Click Purge Everything. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to clear the entire cache. Confirm Purge Everything. This does not delete your site or change files on your server. It simply clears Cloudflare's stored copies so visitors get fresh content and a new TLS negotiation. After that, wait a minute or two, then test your site over HTTPS. A hard refresh in your browser can help pull the latest version through the edge. If you still see errors, allow a bit more time for the SSL change to propagate globally. That's it. By selecting the correct SSL TLS mode and purging the cache, you eliminate the most common causes of SSL handshake errors in Cloudflare and restore a clean, secure connection for your visitors.